Wally the little witch was having a very bad day. It was Halloween, and his spell for a super sparkly pumpkin had gone very, very wrong. Instead of a jack-o'-lantern, he was now the proud owner of a fluffy, white, very confused rabbit with a tiny orange pumpkin for a head. "Oh dear," wailed Wally, his pointy hat drooping. "How will I go trick-or-treating now? Everyone will be scared of Sir Hops-a-Lot." Sir Hops-a-Lot just wiggled his pumpkin nose and sniffed Wally's hand. With a sigh, Wally put on his cloak. "Come on, Sir Hops-a-Lot. We might as well try." As they walked down Spooky Street, things were not going well. A group of tiny ghosts took one look at the pumpkin-headed rabbit and went, "Whoa!" before floating away quickly. A little vampire hid behind his dad's cape. Wally's candy bag was very empty, and his heart felt even emptier. Just then, they heard a little sniffle. Under a big spooky oak tree sat a little girl dressed as a butterfly, her wings drooping. "Are you lost?" asked Wally kindly. The butterfly girl nodded, a tear rolling down her cheek. "I can't find my mommy." Wally didn't know what to do. He was small and the night was big, but then he had an idea. He whispered to Sir Hops-a-Lot. The rabbit's pumpkin head began to glow. It wasn't a scary glow, but a warm, friendly, golden light, like a little piece of sunshine. Wally hadn't messed up the spell after all. He'd just made a magical lantern. "Don't worry," said Wally, holding Sir Hops-a-Lot up high. "We'll help you find her. Follow the light." The glowing pumpkin rabbit led the way through the dark streets. The light was so warm and friendly that other kids started to follow, peeking out from behind their parents. The tiny ghosts and the little vampire came closer, their fear replaced by curiosity. Soon they heard a voice calling, "Lily! Lily!" The butterfly girl shouted, "Mommy!" and ran into her mother's arms. "Oh, thank you," said Lily's mom. She looked at Wally and his glowing rabbit. "You must be the bravest witch on the street. Here, for being such a good helper." She poured a huge handful of candy into Wally's bag. The other parents did the same, thanking Wally for lighting up the night. His bag, once empty, was now overflowing with chocolates, gummies, and lollipops. Wally and Sir Hops-a-Lot walked home, their hearts full. His spell hadn't been a mistake after all. It had given him the best Halloween friend in the world and shown him that the best magic of all wasn't about being scary. It was about being kind and helping others. And Sir Hops-a-Lot, with his glowing pumpkin head, happily agreed with a little wiggle of his nose.